Good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Today, I will teach you a very interesting topic, that is our body parts. Before starting our lesson, first of all, we will recite a beautiful poem on body parts. So, you all sing with me. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. March, march, march. Let us all march. Get your body charged. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Jump, jump, jump. Let us all jump. Make your muscles pump. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Punch, punch, punch. Let us all punch. Make a hearty munch. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. So now I feel you all are feeling energetic and ready to learn the first chapter of EVS, that is My Body. Children, God has given us a very beautiful body with different body parts to fulfill our basic necessities. Every part of our body is very important and have its own function. We will start from the topmost part of our body, that is head. Look at the first picture of a man. In this picture, the arrow indicates our head, and in the second picture of a boy, the arrow indicates our hair. Hair protects our head from direct heat and cold. Wow, what are these? Looking like two big balls? These are eyes. Our eyes are precious gift of God given to us to see this beautiful world. Children, can you count how many are these? Yes, they are two in number. Children, can you tell me what is this between two eyes of this girl? Yes, this is a nose. Our nose helps us to smell different things. Children, what are these just below the hair of this boy? These are ears. Count and tell me how many are they? Yes, they are also two in number. Our ears help us to listen different types of sounds. Children, what this boy is showing you in this picture with his finger? These are teeth. Our teeth help us to chew our food properly. Children, can you see this big smile? This body part is our lips, which give a beautiful smile on our face. Just below lips, we have chin. This is chin. Children, do you know which body part the boy is showing with his finger? This is neck. Our neck connects our face to the body. Now children, look, what are these in orange arrows? These are shoulders. We all have two shoulders. Just below to neck we have chest, and just below to chest we have stomach. In this picture the boy is showing his stomach with his finger. Stomach helps to digest our food. Connecting to shoulders, we have two hands in our body. Children, what activities can we do with our hands? Can you tell me? Yes, we can eat, we can write and hold things with our hands. What are these? These are fingers. Total, we have 10 fingers, 5 in each hand. Children, which body part this boy is touching with his hands? He is touching his legs. We all have two legs. Our legs help us to walk, run, jump, kick, dance, etc. Same way, we have two knees. Look, this is a knee. Our knees help us to bend our legs. Lastly, which body parts are these? Left side arrow indicates foot and right side arrow indicates toe. We have 2 feet and 2 toes. I hope you all have learned all the body parts nicely. Your today's homework is to write all the body parts in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.